Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is Kingdom Overlanding. I'm Jacob. This video today we're going to be giving a update on what's going on with the expedition, what's new, and what we've had. I know we've had a lot of new subscribers, so really appreciate all that support. We've got the BF Goodrich KO2 tires. These are 285, 75, R17, so they're just under 34-inch tires. That was essentially the biggest I could fit without doing any more major trimming of the body and also the bumper. So, and then obviously we have our Method race wheels, 701 series. That's the hybrid beadlock. There's grooves inside the wheel that will catch, so that way I don't lose a bead when I air down super low. And you know, we've gone down as low as 15 psi, 10 psi. That's our lowest, and no problem. So obviously this is a big truck, a lot of weight, and just to be able to hold a bead on that low psi was awesome. So looking to the future, I do want to get 35-inch tires. I know 35 is kind of the standard, and that's going to kind of get you over any obstacle you really need to be getting over, especially with our rig. So I want to get 35s, but I'm going to have to look at finding more clearance, because I don't think those are going to fit. So may have to do some kind of a body lift. I don't know. That's still kind of in development, and probably at least a year out. You know, so we'll see what that happens. But yeah, in the future, I definitely want to try and get 35-inch tires on here. Alright, so we do have the Icon suspension. It is an adjustable suspension. And by adjustable, just by the stiffness and softness of it. It's a 2.5-inch stage 2 from Icon. So we have the remote reservoirs, upper control arms, and shocks on all 4 axles. So I mean, this ride is already super crazy smooth since it's independent front and rear suspension, and then we added on that upgrade of Icon, and it is awesome. So we got the up control arm here, billeted, and it's a beast. So this is gonna last and go, you know, survive whatever kind of punishment we put it through. So. Alright, so we moved to the top of the roof rack here. Definitely excited about this space. Got some really cool things planned. So I've got the tent gutted right now, that's why it's so floppy. I'm gonna attempt to move this tent forward so it's flush with the front of the roof rack, and have this empty space in the back. And I'm gonna put this new water tank we just got and some roto packs for fuel. That's going to be like the perfect location for that. So we're going to have the water back by the kitchen, water for the shower and whatever else we need. And then obviously I'm going to try and stack two of the 4-gallon roto packs on top of that tank. So we're going to have an extra 8 gallons of fuel as an auxiliary. Alright, so here's the water tank I'm talking about. Like I said, it's very, it's got a low profile, it's gray, it like literally fits in this space perfectly. So, but like I said, we're gonna move this towards the back and not have it in the front. I just want it close to the kitchen, and you know, it'll just look a lot cleaner that way. So, and this is the Ironman4x4.com. That's where we picked this up. They have a few different configurations. You can check them out if you want to. I'll put links below. 13 gallons should definitely cover us for 3 to 4 days and a round of showers. That's perfect. I mean, we can find water to fill up along the way somewhere, so really excited about that. And like I said, with adding those 8 gallons, so you know, we're getting about 13.5 miles per gallon right now. So on the spot, 13 times 8, 24, about, you know, 104 miles extra of additional range. So in total, that's going to put us roughly at about 450. Yeah, 450 total range. So should be good on that. All right, so now we move to the back of the vehicle. This area I'm like really pumped up for right now. This is our kitchen. We've got 3 drawers. This is all of our cooking, pots and pans, plates, cups. We have flashlights, lighters, trash bags. It's everything you kind of need for the camp. So this is something I threw together really fast. I really didn't know what I wanted when we first started, so this was fine. I know it's quick and it's kind of hokey, but you know, it's worked out great for us. So now we know what we need. We know we like to have convenient. I want to make this 100% more efficient than what it is, so we're going to build the kitchen and decided on extruded aluminum with sliders. So I said we're going to make 3 drawers, bring it up just a little bit taller, and then I want to scoot it back. So it's going to be about 6 inches shorter in depth, but I want to be able to access this cubby down here. We've got a fairly large storage area, and with the family and as much stuff as we have, we need to be able to maximize every nook and cranny on the vehicle. So it kind of sucks. I'm going to take off about 6 inches of depth, but we're going to gain this entire area down here of storage space. So that'll be perfect. And also, as another option, I'm thinking about making another platform on this side. Just like a 6-inch platform with a drawer below that. I'm thinking about putting the stove on the slider and then having the fridge / cooler on top of that platform. Now we do have this seat here that we use day to day, so probably won't leave that in the car permanently, this platform, because this stays in here, but my wife would like to use this other seat, you know, for whatever. So, you know, still working through that, but this side for sure is going to happen. Really excited about that. Yeah, so hopefully that answers all the questions, guys. Try to give my best description of what we've got going on with the truck and what we've done. So like I said, really pumped about getting that kitchen cabinet drawer system built, and then we get the tent moved forward flush with the front, and then we'll have room in the back for all the, you know, the water tanks and the fuel cans. So that's going to be huge for our overlanding moving forward. And if you guys have any questions, please comment below and I'll answer them best I can. And if you guys have any suggestions, I'm definitely open to that. Like I said, we're building the kitchen out of extruded aluminum, so those are being sliders. And if you guys have any input, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching.
And make sure you give it here thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye.